G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. Now I know I said I'd be making some videos which are coming up very soon, but I had some technical issues which prevented me from filming. As you remember from my last video, I had a slight audio issue and it turned out my microphone completely went bonkers. So I had to buy a new microphone, so it took a while for that to be shipped out. But now that I've got it, I've started filming, so the videos are coming up fast and furious. So I do apologise for the wait, but you won't be waiting much longer because soon they'll be up and you'll be loving them because they're absolutely delicious. So don't forget to follow me on all my social media, my Facebook, which is facebook.com/Todd's Kitchen, and my Instagram, which is Instagram/ToddM007, and I'll leave a link down below here and in the description. So one of the main reasons why I'm making this video, now the first reason, not the most exciting one, is I'm going to do a Q&A video. So ask me whatever questions you can think of, and I'll answer as many as I possibly can, within reason of course. So please leave your questions in the comments section of this video, or you can even send me a message or leave the questions on my Facebook page, where I'll also be posting this video, as well as my Instagram. So think of the most burning question you've ever wanted to ask away, I'll answer it, and I'll have that video up within about a week, and after that you're going to start seeing some more delicious recipes. And now to some fantastic news. You've been asking for it for literally years now, and they're finally here. That's right, finally have aprons. Simply delish. Now they're fantastic, they're easily adjustable for kids or adults. So you can adjust the length here. Plus they come with pockets. And I haven't cheapened out on the design as well. It's not one of those 2-second printed designs that'll fade away after a few washes. This has fantastic embroidery on every single part of the logo. So you can put this through the wash 100 times and it's still going to look fantastic. So you can use it for the barbecue, you can use it in the kitchen, you can use it anywhere. And it comes with these handy, easy to use pockets, so you can store some extra kitchen utensils, tools, or whatever else you need. So while I'll admit they are slightly more expensive than, say, the cheap ones you're going to buy in the shops, you really do get what you pay for. And honestly, I'm only making like $1 or $2 per apron on this, so I'm not doing this to make a lot of money. Of course, every time you buy one, it helps me towards buying ingredients for videos. But you really are buying something that's just so fantastic, so hard wearing, and will really last for a lifetime. So to check out my brand new aprons, plus all my shirts as well, just go to toddskitchen.com. And I'll see you very soon for another delicious recipe.